Ever wonder what true digital asset security looks like? Beyond passwords and two-factor authentication, there's a whole world of cold storage designed to keep your crypto safe from even the most sophisticated online threats. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? And what about the Ellipal Titan 2.0? Is it the ultimate fortress for your digital wealth? And more importantly, what's the damage to your wallet to get one? Today, we're diving deep into the Ellipal Titan 2.0, exploring its cutting-edge features, why it's a popular choice for serious crypto holders, and, of course, its price. Because let's be honest, in the world of hardware wallets, security is paramount, but value is also a key consideration. The Ellipal Titan 2.0 isn't just another USB stick with some crypto on it. This is a robust, fully air-gapped hardware wallet. What does air-gapped mean? It means it has absolutely no wireless, Bluetooth, or USB connections. Your private keys never, ever touch the internet. All transactions are initiated and verified by scanning QR codes between the device and your smartphone app. This physical isolation is its primary defense, making it incredibly resistant to online hacking attempts. Beyond that core security feature, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 boasts an impressive array of protections. It incorporates a CCEAL5 Plus certified secure element chip, which is like an uncrackable vault for your private keys. It's also built with a durable, fully metal-sealed body that's designed to be tamper-proof. If anyone tries to physically break into the device, it has an auto self-destruct mechanism that wipes all sensitive data. Think of it as a digital self-destructing message, but for your crypto. The user experience is also a big selling point. With a large 4-inch HD IPS touchscreen, navigating your crypto assets and confirming transactions feels intuitive and smooth, almost like using a mini smartphone. It supports over 10,000 coins and tokens across more than 40 blockchains, giving you extensive diversification options. Plus, you can manage NFTs, engage in staking, and even use its integrated swap and buy-sell features through the Ellipal app, all while maintaining that offline security. So, how much does all this advanced security and functionality cost? The Ellipal Titan 2.0 typically retails $4,169.00 USD. This places it in the mid to high range of the hardware wallet market. While there are cheaper options out there, few offer the same level of air-gapped security and anti-tamper features. You might also find bundles that include the Ellipal Seed Phrase Steel for an additional $49, which is a highly recommended accessory for physically backing up your recovery words. When you consider the peace of mind that comes with knowing your digital assets are virtually impervious to online attacks, the price tag becomes a justifiable investment for many. For those with significant crypto holdings, or even just a strong desire for ultimate security, the Ellipal Titan 2.0 presents a compelling case. It's a device built for resilience, ease of use, and a commitment to keeping your hard-earned crypto truly yours. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.